This article addresses two main issues with capitalism in the United States: the inadequate support for the poor and the challenge of determining when one has accumulated enough wealth. The social safety nets in the country are insufficient to cater to individuals facing mental health issues, lack of education, overwhelming medical expenses, or limited opportunities. Conversely, even those who achieve financial success often struggle with knowing when they have accumulated sufficient wealth and find it difficult to prioritize personal well-being and leisure time. The author presents their definition of having enough money, which is the point at which they can sustain their desired lifestyle throughout their retirement without depleting their principal savings. This concept, known as the FIRE point, financial freedom, retire early, varies for each person based on individual circumstances and preferences. To calculate the dollar amount of one's personal enough point, the author provides a step-by-step guide. Firstly, individuals estimate their retirement budget by subtracting the amount they save from their current net income. A general rule of thumb suggests aiming to save 25 to 30 times the expected annual retirement spending, excluding any guaranteed income sources. Next, expected income from sources outside of one's investment portfolio, such as annuities, pensions, Social Security, or rental properties, is deducted from the retirement budget. The author suggests factoring in taxes as well, considering the pre-tax income required to cover the budgeted expenses. This estimated pre-tax income is divided by the 4% rule, or multiplied by 25, to determine the necessary portfolio size for reaching the personal enough point. While achieving this goal may require lifelong discipline, hard work, and frugality, the author also encourages exploring self-employment options, as they can make the process relatively easier. Furthermore, it is advisable to have a backup plan for generating additional income during retirement in case the investment returns do not meet expectations. In conclusion, the article emphasizes the importance of defining one's personal enough point and developing a strategy to reach it. It suggests reducing monthly expenses, paying off debts, and considering the elimination or reduction of unnecessary expenditures to lower the required savings amount. By carefully planning and diligently investing, individuals can strive to achieve financial independence and a comfortable retirement.